Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter videos in just one tap. I'm reminding you the giveaway is coming soon, so stay tuned with my channel, subscribe and enable the bell button. So get started. I'm Shihab. You are watching Mr. Shihab. First, go to App Store and download Tab Browser application. After downloaded, open Tab Browser. Here you can see websites of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. First, I show you how you can download Instagram videos in just one tap and how to save the downloaded videos to camera roll. Open Instagram in Tab Browser and just tap on video which you want to download and select download. And my Instagram download is completed. Let's go to YouTube in new tab. As same way, tap video on YouTube which you want to download and it is downloading. It has perfectly downloaded. Let's go to Facebook and all websites has same way to download videos. And now I show you how you can save downloaded videos to camera roll. Go to folders and edit, select both of these downloaded videos and click on share button and save to videos. Now the both videos are saved to your camera roll. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, comment and share.